Welcome this video. Succulent front yard landscape, a style and centrability succulent. A year rule succulent landscape have in popular and of good reason. Those hard water plants are not only fresh and beautiful but then also often a centrability alternate a traditional and flower bed. A succulent front yard is more than just a traditional, it's a statement often low maintenance, live a contemporary design. Whether your main sun space a simple ones yard water rule centrability often endly design choose centrability succulent of your year rule low water use succulent are double for natural attack arrange same than stone water and their stem root this make theme idea for front rule in climax a partition those water unlike traditional glass that can transcend and water age yard landscape requested also and functional of that something note at all one eligibility low main entrance most succulent that not need functional or water one your succulent gardening is plants one going succulent little more than week choose for palette this make succulent perfect for homeowner who want a beautiful yacht without keep up design versatile. Succulent come in alternate range of shade, shape, textile, and color. The architecture